everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Huey. So today's video is going to be a fragrance video, you guys, and it's been a while since I've did a sit-down fragrance talk with you guys. And this one was really special because the first time that I saw this fragrance was in my email, and I got an email from Creed. It's like like an announcement email, and they said that Love in White, a limited edition, a summer edition, will be releasing, and they are taking pre-orders. And for some odd reason, I pre-ordered that same day. I don't know why. For some reason, I'm like, you know what? Get this fragrance. You will love it. And the thing is, I do have the original Creed Love in White right here. A really beautiful perfume, you guys. If you guys haven't had a chance to smell it yet, I highly recommend it. I know Michelle Obama wears this. This is a beautiful masterpiece right here. Really beautiful, elegant, sophisticated fragrance right here. I absolutely love it. And here is the box that it comes in. Really nice and gorgeous. Alright, so for this particular Creed fragrance, Love in White for summer right here, comes in a clear bottle like this, you guys. It is absolutely beautiful, really amazing. I absolutely really love the presentation. The cap has the Creed emblem on top. This is really beautiful, a great presentation as well. I absolutely love it. And here is the box right here, you guys. Love in White for summer. Nice box as well. When you open it, there's the the card that has the picture of their portraits. Really nice, beautiful presentation, you guys. Every time I think of Creed, I think of royalty. I think of what is it? Just fragrance that are really special and really meaningful and has a story to tell. It brings you to a journey. And I think that with Creed fragrances, they do everything by hand, which gives a more personal touch. Alright, so for this particular one, the Love in White for summer is only carried in the Creed boutique or the Creed online store. And so when I ordered, the box came like this. It has the, what is it, the Creed interior right here with the hashtag, which is absolutely really cute. And also I got 2 samples of Creed. Now, it's really hard to get Creed samples, so when you order, they gave me 2. So for the first one, they gave me white flowers, and the second one, they gave me Royal Mayfair. I have not used these yet, and I'm excited because I don't have these, so I'm really excited to try them. And then the perfume came wrapped, you guys. It came wrapped in the Creed wrapping paper, which is a really nice touch, you guys. And here is the tissue paper that they wrapped around the fragrance, and it has the Creed emblem right here. It's a nice, beautiful touch, you guys. It makes you feel very special and just very what is it, luxurious. Alright, so let's get into the fragrance, you guys. So Creed Love in White for summer right here. I couldn't resist. I opened it up and I wore it today. Alrighty, so I will tell you how I feel. This is kind of my first impression. I feel like this fragrance right here is a mixture of a softer Love in White with spring flower. Now spring flower has that apple notes in it, and it's also very fruity. It's very fresh and very florally. This is a more floral version of Creed Love in White, the original. Now the original is a little bit more heavier, it's a little bit more creamier, a little bit more smokier, a little bit more milky. This one has that same backbone and that same aroma, but it has floral, it has fresh citrus in it. It's absolutely divine, you guys. Really perfect for the summer. I absolutely love it. So let me read you off the notes that is in Creed Love in White for summer, and this is on the Creed website. So the notes are Bulgarian roses, Calabrian. I looked this up on YouTube before this and I just totally forgot how to say it. Calabrian bergamot, Sweet Magnolia, Florentine Iris, Rice, Virginian Cedarwood, Ambergris, Sandalwood, Apple, and Jasmine, you guys. Oh my goodness. So the bergamot is what I, smell, what is that, at the beginning. It's like, citrusy, and the Bulgarian roses, I do smell it because it's a little bit of floral at the beginning, and also I definitely smell the rice. The rice is like the backbone of this fragrance, and I smell the apple, like the fruitiness of it. It is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Yeah, it's just amazing. So it's just a really hard cap to take off, but it's very floral, it's very fresh, you guys, and the spray is magnificent. I'm going to spray some on me right now, so let's see how, you guys are going to see how powerful this spray is. So, can you see, it distributes the fragrance really nicely. And guys, yep, I smell the bergamot and the roses right away, like off the bat, you can smell it. And when it like kind of dries down, you get to smell like, that rice, and also for some reason I smell the apple like at the very beginning. So I definitely smell that right now. It is absolutely great, you guys. I wore this today. It lasts me on my skin for about 8 hours. It is really beautiful. It's definitely it's a different perfume from Love and White. Absolutely different, really great for different occasions. I really like it. I am glad that I have both of them because I really love the original Love and White, but this is a great different interpretation of the magnificent fragrance that Michelle Obama wears. Like, it's like an honor to smell like her, So it is a really beautiful fragrance, you guys. So if you guys were thinking of getting one for yourself, well, as of right now, they say it's limited edition. So I would definitely recommend it. It is absolutely worth the price for me because, summer is coming. Spring is here, summer is coming. This is a really perfect fragrance to wear in the summer, and it just made me feel so good today when I wore it, you guys. Like, it just made me feel lively. It just gave me, energy. I don't know what they put in Creed fragrances, but they really do, put that positivity in it. Maybe while they're making it, they were really happy people or something. The fragrance is just magnificent, and I absolutely really love it. I cannot say that enough, you guys. So if you guys are, wanting to try it, definitely try it. Try both of them, you guys. It's definitely worth the money. When these, well, I hope that I can still get this, but when these run out, I would definitely get Creed Love and White and Love and White for summer again, because honestly, I could tell you, these two is easily in my top 5 favorite perfume out of the hundreds that I have. So I absolutely really love it, you guys. So for projection wise, it is like a medium projection, and when it dries down, it's still a medium because people can still smell it on me. Longevity, you guys, 8 hours or more, and it just smells so good, and it lasts for so long on your skin. And the sillage, I would say the sillage is also a medium, but if you were to, use the original, the sillage is really powerful. But the sillage for the Creed Love and White for summer is a medium range, which is really perfect for summer. It is really beautiful, and you'll, be like a queen wearing it. You guys would be a queen. And so the appropriate time to wear this, anytime you want. You can wear anytime you want, any day, any time of night, anytime, any age. This is a great universal fragrance for everyone to wear, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys like my review on Creed Love and White for summer. I am hoping that this will help you, in your decision to purchasing it, because I did purchase it obviously blindly, but at the same time I do love the original, and I assume that the original would smell a little bit like the Love and White for summer, which it does have like, you know, that backbone and that aroma, but it's a totally different fragrance in my opinion. Alright you guys, so I hope that this video has helped you. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. So until next time, bye!